Maintenance outcomes vary when every technician follows a different process. When steps are skipped or interpreted differently, errors increase and compliance becomes harder to prove. Maintenance teams need structured guidance in the field without slowing work down. Mobile asset maintenance embeds digital forms and SOP checklists directly into every work order. Technicians follow guided steps with mandatory fields that ensure nothing critical is missed. Every task is completed using the same standard, regardless of who performs it. This leads to higher quality maintenance and fewer repeat jobs caused by missed steps. All checklist data syncs directly into Oracle Maintenance Cloud, ready for planning, audits, and analysis.